What's going on, fellas? This is Mike with Living with 3M. Welcome back to the channel. Got the wife's Explorer out here in the driveway today. Going to show you how to do a headlight adjustment. Okay, so usually on SUVs and trucks that are not lifted or lowered, you're not going to have to adjust the headlights. But I'm just showing you just in case you have to, whether it be a headlight replacement or you bump it or something that just needs a quick fix. I can show you how to do that on your own without paying a shop. Come right here, look right down in there. All right, you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver down in this little hole with a gear twist on it, just like that. And you will go clockwise or counterclockwise, depending if you want to raise or lower the headlight. We'll come to this side, and you can see it right there. And you want to be careful because they are plastic gears. You don't want to over tighten or force it to loosen. So, and also before you go cranking away on these things, I definitely recommend that you be in front of a garage door on a level surface. Definitely want to wait until dark and you can see the headlights on the garage door or a white privacy fence or whatever you might have at your house. Or you just got to make sure that you are level and you can see the adjustment being made. Some guys will put tape on the door to get a horizon line and go above or below that to wherever, so guys will not flash bright light you. All right guys, one more tip. When you turn it clockwise, it should elevate the light beam, and when you go counterclockwise, it should lower it. But do the test yourself. Start in one direction slowly, count your turns, watch the light beam at dusk on a light background. So that should tell you what you need to know, where you need to adjust it under the hood. And if you will, like, subscribe, comment on my videos. I sure would appreciate it. Help your boy out. Thanks. See you on the next video.